Hello everybody, I'm Jason from Flum Mission. Today is the 1st of April. We will load one QTF615 to the Jamaica customer. This customer ordered a simple production line from the mixer to the stacker, also including 2 extra hollow block molds. This order consists of the 800 fiber pellets with water-resistant HJ and GS500 concrete mixer. The strong vibration host machine. After the 4 hours work, now the loading work is done. It will take 30 days delivery to the Kingston port. Hope this machine will help the customer make great business.